Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're someone like me that has allergies, hate dust, dirty, and want to keep your desk clean, I'll be talking about the gadgets that I use to keep my desk clean and neat with minimal effort. So without further ado, let's start. So what I have in this pouch is all the items that I use to clean my desk. So the first one is this multi 20-in-1 tool. As you can see, it comes with a lot of different devices. So it comes with this very small picker that also has this brush. If I have something stuck in my mouse, I can just use this to nitpick and clean. Also I can brush, so I can try to do some brushing as well. Apart from that, we have this other tool over here, which I personally don't use that often. I don't even know what it is for. Also comes with this attachment for this blower. Put like this, and now you can blow small areas if you cannot reach with this one. You have this other tool over here that I don't use that often. If I can find something that I can use with that. I also have this small spray, so you can put liquids and then you can just spray them. Also this brush over here that I use more often with very harsh surfaces. This one I also like to use sometimes with the AirPod or with the keyboard, because as you can see there's a small brush. Then there's these ones used inside the AirPods. You can see that it's very hard to reach inside over here, so using this tool is actually quite nice. These ones I like to use as well with the AirPods, so you can brush like this. You can also use very small one where I broke a small bit of it, and I also like to use this one, or for the mouse if there's some dirt in between. From all these devices, one that I really like is this one. So I just need to press this and pull it down. And now my friends, we can clean our keyboard like nothing. Most of the times I won't be using all of these features, but it's nice to know that I can be using some of them. And also because they all have the same shape, you can just readjust to the ones that you use more often. Also at the top here, you have this keycap remover, so you can remove keycaps or use SIM card. I don't use this one often, but also is useful and nice if you need any of these tools. But now, let's see what else do I have over here. And I have basically my favorite tool for cleaning. For some reason, dust will come through and it will stay and stick and you won't be able to remove it. Most of the times you need to wipe clean, and I will show you exactly how this works. So you just have one simple button where when you press you have the power 1, and what I really like about this is that the power 1 by itself is already very powerful. Now they have the demonstration of the power of this small tool. On the pouch it comes this vacuum. I don't think the vacuum is powerful, because at the same time that it's vacuuming, it's also blowing, and I feel that it's not actually very powerful at all. But another thing that's very nice that comes with this, so you can do like a sort of target vacuuming. Another thing that I really like is this cloth that I bought in Japan. I bought like physically, so I don't have the link. I can put in my hand and it will split in between, and I basically just wipe it, and as you see my screen is very dirty, but it does the work pretty nice, and I can manage to get my screen very clean. If you like this video, don't forget to leave the thumbs up, subscribe. I will be doing more videos similar to this, more practical advices on the gadgets that I own, and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments, any future videos or anything.